Hi, welcome for our RTL online trainings and placements. Now we got a requirement for the freshers for Oracle Fusion Cloud Financials. There are two different types of requirements. This is for Mastic company, which is very good level 5 company. And this is for the chartered accountants who are eligible, like who has completed their CA. They are okay to take up even if you are a fresher chartered accountant qualified, and they are ready to take as Oracle Fusion Cloud. They can go ahead with training and then project configurations and all. They can go ahead. This is for Ahmedabad location, Gujarat, like work from office. And virtually there will be an interview. It seems it's an online interview. 7th October 2023, Saturday. And you are supposed to apply on or before 4th October 2023. I'm giving you this link in the description. Just click on this link and go for register your profile. But you must be a chartered accountant. Only for CS, the first one. Second one is, if you are a CA Inter or CMA or ICWA or MBA Finance fresher, having 2 to 5 years of domain experience in accounting and finance role in any industry. So if you have any experience in accounting background, like maybe you worked as a clerk, as an account analyst in any of the banking side or any other domain accounting side, then that domain experience will be helpful. That you can go for apply. If you are already learned Oracle Cloud Finance, it's fine. But without also, you can go ahead. Without that also, you can go ahead that. Okay, so that's the two different requirements which we got it. One is for fresher, qualified CA, that they can apply directly. If you say, no, I'm not CA, I'm just CA Inter or MBA Finance or ICWA type of thing, then if you have experience 2 to 5 years in domain, experience in accounting or finance in any industry, then they are ready to take. So this, they'll go for give the training for Oracle Finance Cloud. So they are ready to give the training and utilize in their cloud projects in accounting finance area. In accounting and finance area, they will be utilizing your services. Okay, I'm giving you the link here. Before 4th October 23, you can go for apply, and there will be an interview on 7th October for this. Thank you.